Cayley-Hamilton theorem. After successfully completing this topic, students will be able to understand Cayley-Hamilton theorem. What do you mean by Cayley-Hamilton theorem? Cayley-Hamilton theorem, it says that a matrix A satisfies its own characteristic equation. So if the characteristic equation is minus 1 raised to power n lambda n plus Cn minus 1 lambda n minus 1 plus so on C1 lambda plus C naught is equal to 0. If this is the characteristic equation, then a matrix A will satisfy this equation. So which is minus 1 raised to power n, A raised to power n plus Cn minus 1, A raised to power n minus 1 plus so on C1a plus C0 I is equal to 0. So this is the characteristic equation which is satisfied by the matrix A, and this the Cayley-Hamilton theorem is. Of order 2 having entries minus 2 4 minus 1 3 satisfies Cayley-Hamilton theorem, and then you have to find A raised to power 6. Now the characteristic equation corresponding to this determinant will be A minus lambda I, which is equal to 0. That has been discussed earlier. So on solving this equation, I will get lambda square minus lambda minus 2 is equal to 0. Now what the Cayley-Hamilton theorem says, it says that every square matrix satisfies its own characteristic equation. So I will replace lambda with A and I will get A square minus A minus 2i is equal to 0. Or you have A square is equal to A plus 2i. Now I have to find A raised to power 6. So what I will do, I will multiply A square is equal to A plus 2i with A. So what it becomes, A cube is equal to A square plus 2A. Now A square, value of A square, this is A plus 2i. Substitute this value over here and solve it. On solving it, you will get 3A plus I. Now again I will found A4. A4 is A cube multiplied by A. So which is equal to A cube plus 2A square. Now substituting the value of A cube, substituting the value of A square and solving. On solving this, I will get 6I plus 5A. Again I have to find A raised to power 5. So what I will do, I will multiply this equation with A again. So A raised to power 5, this will be 6I into A plus 5 into A square. Then again substituting the value of A square, I will get 10I plus 11A. Again multiply this equation with A. So what I will get, A raised to power 6, which is equal to A5 into A, which is equal to 22I plus 21I. So in this way I am able to find A raised to power 6 with the help of Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Next is show that the matrix 1 1 minus 2 4 satisfies Cayley-Hamilton theorem. I have to show that this matrix of order 2, it satisfies Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Now in matrix this, I will write its characteristic equation as discussed earlier. It is A minus lambda I determinant is equal to 0. Here our A is M. So substitute M minus lambda I determinant is equal to 0. Solve it out. On solving this, I will get the characteristic equation as lambda square minus 5 lambda plus 6 is equal to 0. Now it satisfies characteristic equation. So this means I must get m square minus 5m plus 6I is equal to 0. But m square, first of all I will find m square. M square is m into m. So I will write the entries of m. I will write the entries of m into m I will perform, and I will get, on solving these two matrices, I will get minus 1, 5, minus 10, 14. Now, I will substitute the values of m square, m and I determinants. So, I matrices. So, I will substituting these values m square minus 5 into m plus 6 into I. So, on solving this matrix, what I will get, minus 1 minus 5 get multiplied by 1, it will give you minus 5. 6 get multiplied by 1, it will give you 6. So minus 1 minus 5 plus 6, then 5 minus 5, then minus 10 plus 10, then 14 minus 20 plus 6. So on solving all these entries, I will get 0, 0, 0, 0, which is equal to 0 matrix. So in this way, I can see that this characteristic equation, it get satisfied, or Cayley-Hamilton theorem get satisfied. Next is use Cayley-Hamilton theorem to find m raised to power 6 if m is 1, 1 minus 2, 4. So I have to find m raised to power 6, and m matrix is given with these entries. Now again I will write the characteristic equation for m. Characteristic equation for m will be m minus lambda I determinant is equal to 0. So on solving this, I will get lambda square minus 5 lambda plus 6 is equal to 0, which is the characteristic equation. Then I will replace lambda with m. So what I will get, m square minus 5m plus 6I is equal to 0. Now what I have to find? I have to find m raised to power 6. So I will take m square on the left hand side and 5m minus 6 on the right hand side, and squaring both. So on squaring both, I will get m raised to power 4 is equal to 5m minus 6I whole square. So this is a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So on solving this, I will get 25m square minus 60m plus 36I. Now I will substitute the value of m square as 5m minus 6I. So I substitute this value and solve it out. On solving all the terms, I will get 65m minus 11 4I. Now again I have to find m raised to power 6. So m raised to power 6 is m raised to power 4 into m square. So substituting m raised to power 4 as 65m minus 114I multiplied by 5m minus 6I. So on solving it, I will get 325m square minus 960m plus 684I. Again substituting the value of m square and solving out, I will get 665m minus 1266I. Now substituting the value of m, substituting the value of I, solving it out, I will get the matrix of order 2 with entries these. Clear? So in this way I am able to find m raised to power 6, which I have to evaluate. Now practice question is, you are given a matrix of order 3 using Cayley-Hamilton theorem or others. Find integers p, q and r such that a cube is equal to pa square plus qa plus Ri and show that a raised to power 4, this is equal to 25a square minus 60a plus 36i. Thank you.